everyone, you are welcome on Ears Overflow. I'm Hare Ram Rai, and today I will show how to install AWS CLI in Windows machine. This is the URL. I will provide in description. From here, you will see Windows options, and here install and update requirements. We support AWS CLI on Microsoft supported versions of 64-bit Windows. Admin rights to install software that will be required. So here, this click on this URL, and this will download one file. I've already downloaded. I will just click here and double click on this. Next. So I have already one version was downloaded. So let me remove that. Installed. So I will just remove that. Yes. I'll click on AWS CLI V2. Welcome to AWS command line interface V2 setup wizard. Next. Accept the the terms in the license agreement. Then next. It is location here. See programming files vision. Then AWS CLI V2. Next. Install. Is to check if it is installed, open command prompt, enter AWS version, uh, this is typo error. Yeah. So when you see something like this means AWS CLI is perfectly installed in your system. Thanks for watching. Stay connected to Eras Overflow.